The guardians of the legacy were established as the kingdom thrived. Nyota and Kioo formed this council of the wisest animals from all species to preserve the history, culture, and unity of the kingdom. The guardians constructed the Sanctuary of Wisdom, a great hall where scrolls, carvings, and relics from their adventures were stored. Animals from across the lands visited the sanctuary to learn about the kingdom's rich history. One evening, a young meerkat stumbled upon a glowing black gem while foraging. Elders identified it as the Eclipse Stone, a mystical artifact believed to amplify the will of its wielder, for good or ill. Legends of the stone sparked a debate among the council. Nyota suggested locking it away to prevent misuse, while others believed it could benefit the kingdom. Ultimately, the guardians took responsibility for safeguarding the stone. Trouble arose when a jealous baboon named Daka attempted to steal the Eclipse Stone, believing it would grant him unmatched power. During his escape, the stone's energy unleashed a storm that shook the Savanna. Nyota and Kioo confronted Daka, whose guilt and fear overcame him. Nyota's wisdom calmed him, and the storm subsided. Daka apologized and became a devout follower of the kingdom's ideals, proving that even those who stray can find redemption. Explorers in the Lost Valley reported sightings of a mysterious figure lurking in the ancient ruins. Cloaked in darkness, the figure seemed to be searching for something. The council sent Chue and Tembo to investigate. The figure turned out to be a lone wolf named Zuri, who had been banished from her pack. Seeking refuge and knowledge, she explored the ruins hoping to find a new purpose. Moved by her story, Tembo invited her to the kingdom, where she found acceptance and a fresh start. The Harmony Pact faced its greatest test when a dispute broke out between the wetlands and the highlands over a shared river. Both sides accused each other of depleting the water supply. Nyota, Kioo, and Kali mediated the conflict, emphasizing cooperation and shared responsibility. They devised a fair water-sharing agreement, turning the conflict into an opportunity for collaboration. The peace accord became a model for resolving disputes across the allied kingdoms. To celebrate the peace accord, the kingdom hosted a festival of lights. Lanterns of all shapes and colors were crafted and lit, symbolizing hope and unity. Animals from every region participated, sharing songs, dances, and stories under the glowing lanterns. The festival became an annual tradition, reminding everyone of the kingdom's journey and the bonds they had forged. While expanding the Sanctuary of Wisdom, builders discovered a hidden passage leading to an underground chamber. Inside, they found ancient murals depicting the early days of the Savanna and the rise of Kiboko. The murals also contained cryptic symbols resembling those from the Whispering Forest. Scholars worked tirelessly to decode them, believing they held secrets that could further enhance the kingdom's prosperity. The Sky Guardians brought troubling news. A massive storm was forming beyond the mountains, threatening to devastate the kingdom and its allies. The council acted swiftly, coordinating efforts to prepare for the impending disaster. Animals built shelters, reinforced structures, and stored food. When the storm arrived with ferocity, the kingdom endured with minimal losses thanks to their preparation and unity. The experience strengthened their resolve to face challenges together. After the storm, the land yielded an unprecedented bounty of crops and fruits, which the elders called the Golden Harvest. It was seen as a reward for their resilience and unity. The animals celebrated with feasts and ceremonies, giving thanks for their blessings. The Golden Harvest marked the beginning of a new era of abundance, ensuring that no animal would go hungry again. Grateful for the Sky Guardians' warnings, the council formalized an alliance with them. The Sky Guardians became the kingdom's aerial protectors, watching over the land and serving as messengers of peace. In return, the animals of the savanna planted groves of fruit-bearing trees to sustain the Sky Guardians and honor their role in the kingdom's safety and prosperity. Inspired by the knowledge from the Lost Valley and the Wisdom Tree, the kingdom entered an age of innovation. Animals invented tools for farming, built bridges across rivers, and developed methods to share resources efficiently. The savanna became a beacon of progress, attracting visitors and scholars from distant lands. Nyota and Kioo's vision of a harmonious, prosperous kingdom had become a reality. As Nyota and Kioo grew older, they began training the next generation of leaders. They shared their wisdom, experiences, and lessons, ensuring that the kingdom's values would endure. The young leaders proved to be capable and compassionate, embodying the spirit of unity that had defined the kingdom's history. The elders watched with pride, knowing the future was in good hands. To commemorate their journey, the animals built a monument called the Eternal Flame in the heart of the savanna. The flame, fueled by a mix of sacred oils, symbolized the enduring spirit of unity and hope. The animals gathered around the flame, singing the melody of the savanna and sharing stories of their triumphs and challenges. The kingdom's legacy was immortalized, a testament to the power of unity and the strength of community.